Everyone, this is a video that for the assignment of Cassandra Java, in which I am using Cassandra database, which will be uh, interfaced by using Java language. As you can see, I have created a keyspace named demo. We can access the keyspace by using use demo, and in that keyspace, I have created a table which is named as users, uh, which we can see like select star from users. Oh, select star from users, which currently have a entry called Jones with age 36 and city Austin, email Bob at example, and first name Bob. So first we are going to delete this entry. Delete from users where last name equal to Jones. So now if you see the table, there's no entry in the table. Now we will switch to the Java program. So this is basically a program in which we are trying to insert your entry in the table using Java. And so we have just created two objects named cluster and session. So now first we are connecting cluster to the keyspace demo, and then we are executing the script insert into user last name dot comma age comma city comma email comma first, and values are Jones, 35, Austin, Bob, example, and Bob. So when we run this program, the first query that will be executed is this one, and then after that we are doing another query which updates the age of the uh, user to 36, and then we again print the entry table. So when I run this program, we can see that the output on the console that we get, the Bob age was first 35, and then secondly the age of Bob was changed to 36. Now since you see this third entry, this is because I have not implemented the delete query. So when we uncomment the delete query and run the program, we can see that we do not see and the third output, and when we look into table, we also see there's no entry in the table. Now without the delete uh, query, when we run the program, we can see that there is an entry which is added in the database, so which is Jones, 36, Austin, and so on. So this is the first part of the program. Then in the second part we are doing the same thing but utilizing but by using a different approach. So when we look at the program, we can see that again we have declared two objects named cluster and region, and third object which is result set and rows. So result set is generally it stores every output in the same object rather than using different rows. So this is what is the difference between two programs. So now when we run the program, now first we need to uncomment the delete user from this. So first we need to uncomment the delete user from this uh, program, because we do not want to delete the entry. So therefore I will comment this three outputs, and then I will save it and run. And when the program runs, we can see that a entry is added which is named with age 35, and the age is then changed to 36, and then we can see the final entry in the when we look into the SQL shell, we can see that an entry is still added in the still there in the table. So when we uncomment the delete statement, we would be easily seeing that the entry is deleted from the table, and it will no longer appear in the oh, I have to uncomment this also. So we can see that entry is deleted from the table as well, and we will not see it in the console and neither in the SQL shell. So this is how we interact with Cassandra using Java. So this is all for today. Thank you very much for watching the video, and thank you, Professor, to giving us chance to learn this thing.